What do you want more of, bicep or Rolex?
Biceps.
Hey guys, I'm Tom Segura. Now I'm burnt crystals.
They brought back the two biggest guests from Hot Ones to do one episode together. That's right, it's not Kevin Hart and Shaquille O'Neal.
It's fucking Wale.
When I was 22, I got involved with the Russian Mafia.
Oh, for fuck's sake. God damn it.
Hey guys, check us out on Truth or Dab this week. Hot Ones.
First we feast.
First we feast. Bert, Tom. Let's go.
Hey, what's going on, everybody? For First We Feast, I'm Sean Evans, and welcome back to another episode of Truth or Dab, the Hot One special where we give our guests two simple options: tell the truth or suffer the wrath of the last dab. And today we're joined by two of our favorite comedians, friends of the brand, Tom Segura and Bert Kreischer. They both have Netflix specials out right now, Your Mom's House and Bertcast, wherever you get your podcasts. You can catch Tom live on the second half of his Take It Down tour. Tickets on sale now and coming to a city near you. And for Bert fans, fall tour dates for his Body Shots World Tour will be announced later this month. Get your tickets. Bert, Tom, welcome to the show.
Thanks, buddy.
Thank you for having both of us.
In front of you guys have three scorching hot chicken wings that have all been doused in various versions of the last dab. I have a series of personal, potentially awkward questions for each of you.
Do you realize how hard that's gonna be?
To what?
Our career is made on just saying the worst things about ourselves on our podcast for the last 9 years. I'm dying to see these questions.
Well, we'll see how far we can push you guys today. And Bert, let's start with you. You seem eager.
I'm very eager.
You just finished the North American leg of your Body Shots tour. Of the 28 cities you visited, which one was the biggest dump?
Can't wait to come back next year.
It's getting started. Diving right in.
By the way, it was Albany.
How's that?
It's not bad, man.
Really?
It's not bad at all. I'm cleaning this bone.
I can see
It
that.
is going in.
I'm on a diet.
Did you
Committee.
eat well on the tour?
Ooh, that is hot.
Yeah.
Dude,
Bert, you dove right in. It's like you forgot what it's like to be here, you know?
you just sent me a bottle of this on my tour bus. I gave it to my assistant Cobra and he threw up. Immediately started throwing up.
It's a good sales point for you
Yeah.
guys. Yeah.
It's not this part, it's when it comes out that's the bad one.
Yeah.
After I did Hot Ones the first time, season 2, I was an early fan.
You were our first famous fan, Bert.
Yeah, I know, and I tell everyone that. Holy fuck, what was I talking about? Oh, I shit my pants in security going through the airport, LAX. You forgot the beginning part of the story. Last time I was on Hot Ones, I did shit my pants. Fuck it. All right, what's the next question? These tables go lower. Oh, is this for Kevin Hart when he was on?
I think that's just because you're yoked out. I think that's
I'm on
because you're
fire
yoked
today,
out.
Tommy.
I think it might be weight related.
All right, Tom, it's your turn.
Okay.
As we
Fucking
touched
hot.
on in your intro, you host your Mom's House podcast
Yes,
along
sir.
with your wife and co-host, Christina P., a fellow comedian. What's a secret that you've kept from her that she would not be happy to hear if she were, say, watching right now? And a wingo. Oh! Tom diving in. Bert setting a high bar, so Tom.
Now tell it. Oh, it's so bad.
It was bad. Oh man,
Dude, this is like taking a Vicodin. Your brain just shuts down.
I jerked off under a pillow.
Wait, are we supposed to eat the wings and then tell the truth?
You have a
good job.
choice.
We're doing this wrong. We're doing this wrong, Tom.
You know, if you're gonna tell the truth, you don't have to eat the wing.
That was really bad.
Oh, it hurts to laugh. Are these
Yeah.
getting hotter? Do they gonna get hotter?
Round 2, all right? You guys roll with a group of heavy hitters in comedy, but it's time to burn some bridges. Bert, rank these comedians from funniest to least funny. Joey Diaz, Ari Shaffir, Joe Rogan and Tom Segura.
Fuck.
Yeah.
Okay.
Holy shit, man.
Yeah.
How is this so much worse than last time?
You get to kind of work your way up to the last dab when you're on the show. Here, very steep ramp up when we just lay 3 last dab wings down.
Ari's the least funny. I can say that.
Okay, you don't actually have to answer.
I just wanted to put that out there so everyone knew that. Ari's the least funny.
All right, Tom.
Holy shit.
Yeah?
Again, stir in the pot a little bit. I know that you're a very nice guy, but comedy, it's a competition. It's a sport, so keep it 100.
All right.
Who has the worst stand-up special on Netflix right now?
Ooh, I know it. I know you know it too. We just talked about it in the green room.
We did?
Yeah. Fuck, I can't talk.
God damn it, dude. What are you doing?
It's a tough show. It's a tough show.
Do you have a least favorite one?
Disgraceful.
Fucker. God damn it.
Throwing it
I
down.
really actually wanted to answer that one. I don't know the answer.
Well, now there's no point. But
No.
Which one?
No,
if
no,
you turn
no,
something
no,
off,
keep
if there was
going,
something. Yeah. Okay.
What would you have said?
Fucking Hannah Gadsby.
God
I mean,
damn it.
she wasn't meant to be funny, you know? It was a thought provoker. It was a TED Talk. It was good. Can't wait to see her next one.
All right, on to round 3. Might have to toss some more wings for these guys.
My mouth is on fucking fire, bro.
Tom,
Yeah.
you're known as the water champ.
Right.
But here, we're gonna actually put that Aquaman knowledge to the test. You know,
Okay.
it's one thing to drink water and call yourself the water champ, but how much do you really know about water? I'm gonna hit you with a water pop quiz. Get all 3 of these questions right, you're totally in the clear, but get one wrong, you know the drill.
Oh, fuck, man.
All right.
Pouring
How
sweat.
much of the human body is water? And I mean a normal body, not like a water champ's body. Is it 20%, 60%, or 95%?
60, isn't it?
No, how's it gonna be 60? You're filled with blood. Your skin's 10. No.
It's 60.
60%. 60%. Good job, Tom.
I'll go
Good
with
job.
95.
All right. Which of the Great Lakes is the deepest between Lake Superior, Lake Michigan, and Lake Ontario? Tear coming down. It's always that left eye, Tom.
Michigan? Right?
It is Superior.
God damn it.
Let's do this, Tom.
Oh, you're crying.
Yeah.
Let's do a little double or nothing, all right?
Okay.
Listen, you have that wing. Let's go to this last question here, all right? You get it right, you're in the clear, but get it wrong, we'll up the stakes, you'll dab that last wing,
Okay.
okay?
Well, you know what he's saying, right? You gotta pour some stuff on it.
I heard him.
Sold in a 14-karat diamond-encrusted bottle, Beverly Hills 90H2O claims to sell the most expensive bottle of water in the world. How much does it cost? $45,000, $75,000, or 100 grand?
Come on, man. What the fuck is happening here?
The most expensive bottle of water
100
in
grand.
the world. It is $100,000.
How the fuck did you do that?
It is $100,000. Tom Segura with a lifeline swerves that pothole. I got you, my man. I got you, man. We still got 2 rounds to go.
Dude, it went away and then I wiped my mouth with my thing and it came back again.
Bert, you guys are both prolific podcasters. In the over 300 episode history of the Bertcast, who has been your worst guest?
Oh, I have the answer. I got 2 answers. Should we go with the one that everyone hated the most? No, I can't put her on blast like that. There's one, you remember that girl that
Oh, yeah. She's Irish.
She got so much hate.
Yeah. She got blasted.
Fucking hate. I mean, it was like.
What's the other one?
I don't know. Some guy who was. He's like.
Oh,
I'm not gonna put anyone on blast.
But you already kind of did.
What
You
I did?
already
Okay.
kinda
Okay.
did.
Good.
You did name it. You did out it. We could do the math. All right, Tom.
yeah.
Joke stealing. It's one of the biggest taboos in comedy. Can you out a comedian who you believe has gotten away with cribbing material from other comedians?
Great. This is called Truth or Dab or Ruining Your Career.
It's not even about like not saying it. I can't fucking think of one right now. Whisper in my ear.
I can't because they're gonna hear it on the mic.
It's all right. I'll say it. I'll say it after you say it.
Oh.
Just turn the levels up on what he said. Does that count?
All right, Tom, just one more wing to go. You could just eat it, and it's all...
Oh, Bert. He's stealing everybody's jokes.
Well, there it is.
There it is.
Bert!
That's where I got the machine story. Oops. Some guy was telling a 13-minute rambling story.
Big joke thief.
Big joke thief.
Well, listen. There's no robbing your way out of this one, okay?
Okay.
It is now pop quiz time for you. You're a product of Tampa, a Florida State grad, a Sunshine State dirtbag, and proud of it if I've ever seen one. So what I'm gonna do is give you a handful, a series of Florida man headlines, and it's up to you to figure out if they are real or if they're fake.
Okay.
Florida man denies syringes found in his rectum are his, real or fake?
That's, I can see, I bet that's real.
It is real.
Yeah.
It is
I
real.
can totally see myself in the back of a car going, I don't know how they got there.
It's true as reported by news channel Local 10. That's 40-year-old Wesley Scott's story, and he's sticking to it. 2 more headlines to go, Bert.
You got
Easy,
this, Bert.
easy peasy.
Florida man flashes his buttocks at IHOP after impersonating a police officer to get free food. Real or fake?
It's the end part that's throwing me about after impersonating, because the first part you're like, oh, that happens once a week. I'm gonna go real.
It is real.
Oh,
It is real. According to the Orlando Sentinel, when asked if he had money, 55-year-old Matt Skitta said, no, but I am a cop and get food for free. Obviously, things spiraled a little bit after that.
It's a big Florida move. It's
It's
gonna
a
be
big
a cop.
Florida move. All right, Bert, one more headline for you.
Yeah.
You know the drill. Get it right, you're in the clear. Get it wrong, that wing is waiting for you.
My mouth feels perfect right now.
Just in case.
Okay.
Fucking.
Okay.
Florida man sent to jail after pouring hot sauce on 3-month-old puppy.
That's fake.
That is unfortunately real.
Fuck!
Fortunately, Gizmo is set to make a full recovery, but that is a real headline. They were all real.
What's this?
Bert, very cocky, put a lot of last dab on his tray.
He actually put it on. He actually put it on mine. He put it on
It's
mine.
gonna hurt
And we have
so
a swipe
much.
through.
Is it a, by the way, this is a real fan right here. Is it a Coolio dab?
That's a real fan right there.
That's a real
That's
fan.
a real fan right there. What happened to Coolio?
It was bad.
You know?
It was really bad.
Yeah, he
So-
sued them.
I worked with Coolio once.
How was
You
that?
He
did?
was a dick.
Wow. Bert, cleaning wings, getting through 5 rounds.
What's that feel like now?
It hurts my molars.
I feel sick.
Yeah.
I don't feel good. I have a whole thing of milk and a nap.
Yeah, that's stacking it. Some unique chemistry going on.
I'm gonna just swallow it down.
Whoa.
Whew.
One more question to go.
We're still doing questions?
I
One
got
more
one more.
wing. Bert, you're done.
You're done.
You can
Give me
go.
one more wing.
How'd you make that?
But you know what, Bert? You're not off the hot seat because this one comes right at you, okay?
I like this.
Tom, which of Bert's bits do you pretend to laugh at because you're a good and supportive friend? But deep down you think is hacky and are too good a friend to tell him.
Dude, I'll eat the wing. Don't answer. Fucking seriously? That's a horrible idea.
No, I'm trying to think.
Here, I'll do something for you real quick.
Yeah.
My kids are dumb as fuck. My daughter is fucking stupid.
Yeah, that one I like. Can we run me through some other bits on this back?
Oh, I farted during oral sex.
That's a good one.
Fire in the hole.
That was a good one. I like to spread them out.
When in doubt, spread them out. That's a good one, yeah.
That's a good one.
Pajamas. My dad, pajamas.
Yeah, that's related, but I was like, you know.
Yeah. See, I can tell you my answer.
Hey, no, he didn't. That's not how it was gonna be. Jesus.
Bert leading the witness.
I mean, I'm over the machine story.
Me too.
He has had it with the Machine Story, one of the greatest hits.
It's the greatest hit.
Keep an eye out. Body Shots World Tour. It doesn't stop. Doing an international run, and then the fall dates. Tom Segura, Take It Down. Tickets on sale now. Visit
TomSegura.com.
BertBertBert.com.
TomSegura.com, BertBertBert.com. Great domain name to get a hold of.
Yeah, 4 Berts was already taken.
That's it for Truth or Dab. We'll see you next time.
Hey, thanks, man.
Good job. That was awesome. That was awesome.
How you feeling? How you feeling? I'm glad I got out of that last one.
Fuck
Bert,
me.
Great job, buddy.
Oh.
I felt that.
Oh my God, I almost threw up on that last one.
Hey, you know what?
I'm soaking wet.
When you tour internationally, it's probably gonna be really good for your health.
Yeah.
Hey, what's going on, Hot Ones fans? I hope that you enjoyed today's episode of Truth or Dab. I don't ask for much around here, but you can see the pinned comment below. We've been nominated for a Webby. It would mean a lot to the crew here if you could vote us on to win. I know that it would mean the world to Dom and Sarah Honda, Chris, and perhaps most of all, camera guy Bill. If you could, throw us a subscribe. And again, don't do it for me, do it for Bill.